Hello, good morning, students. So today we are going to see a new topic on work study. So the agenda of today's learning is definition of work study, objectives of work study, classification of work study, and what is method study, and procedure involved in method study. So I'll be starting with one by one. Hope the session will be helpful to you to learn the materials which I have provided in your Google Classroom. So starting with, so what is work study? And you can see the definition of what is work study in the screen. Okay, so I will be just explaining what is work study and based on this particular definition. So the main objective of work study is of two. So one is to improve productivity. Okay, and the second thing is to reduce wastage. So why you perform work study in an organization is for two particular reasons. One is to improve productivity. Second is to reduce wastage. And another related to these two, we have another concept called identifying non-value added operations. So what is non-value added operations? So organizations do different operations, but they don't create a real value to its productivity. So identifying that and reducing those operations also comes under work study. So this is the major definition of work study. So to elaborate more into work study, why work study is conducted. So an organization performs different tasks. For example, Ola. So it is a company. So it does logistics of human travel from one city to other. So it does some operation. So we can do work study in the Ola company so that our objective will be to improve productivity by reducing wastages and identifying non-value added operations. So how is it done? We will see in the later slides. So again, work study classification. Work study is classified into two: method study and work measurement. So method study and time study. So what is method study? We'll be seeing in detail today. So there are two aspects: method study and time study. So first we will be seeing method study. So before that, I have just explained you, I will elaborate of work study, what is work study. So these are the few advantages. So why are you doing? So first is to smoothen production flow with minimum interruptions. So for example, you do an operation, you do work study so that your production flow is even. So you don't have an interruption in your production operation. Second is to eliminate wastages, as I said earlier. Third advantage is to have a better worker-manager relationship. And fourth one is for delivery commitment. You commit a good to be delivered at a particular point of time, and you deliver in time. So that is an advantage. That is a use of work study. Fifth one is rejection or scrap. So what do you mean by this rejection or scrap? When you deliver a product, you get some rejections. due to some production process. So when an organization has more rejections, so definitely there is a need of work study. So it helps to improve the working condition. So work study is also an scope to identify or to improve working condition and to improve the current layout. We have explained, we have discussed what is layout before. So it may be knowing. So there will be, if an organization have some layout problem, so we can address that layout problem and identify different things. So also last thing, existing process. Okay. So why this work study is very important and interesting to MBA students is, so you people will be doing internship and sort of uh, programs which are related to company to identify some problems. Mostly you will be doing your identification or problem statement based on this work study. So you have a company, you select a company. So you will go there, perform a work study and say, so this is a problem you have in your organization, whether it can be elimination of wastage, it can be delivery commitment, it can be scrap, rejection, whatever it is. So you are going to identify these problems. And based on this work study method, you are going to give some suggestion to your company so that your company will take your suggestion and implement that and make further uh, improvements on your suggestions. So this is an interesting topic so that you can go in it and search it in different ways so that you can develop as a good MBA student in analyzing the problem in different areas. Okay, so this work study is for you people.